Hello, little friends. Welcome to our rhyme time class. Today, we're going to have so much fun with words that sound the same. Are you ready to play with rhymes? Let's start our adventure. What are rhymes? First, let's talk about what rhymes are. Rhymes are words that sound alike. For example, cat and hat. Can you say cat? Great. Now say hat. Wow, you did it. They sound so funny together. Rhymes make our language playful and exciting. Examples of rhymes. Let's try some more examples. How about dog and frog? Can you say dog? Now say frog. Perfect. Rhymes make our words dance and sing. It's like a little song we create with our voices. Let's think of some more together. Scene 3. Rhyme game. Now let's play a fun rhyme game. I will say a word and you will think of a word that rhymes with it. Ready? What rhymes with ball? Yes, wall. You're so smart. Let's try another. What rhymes with sun? That's right. Fun. You're doing amazing. Singing a rhyme. Now let's sing a rhyme together. Here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Can you sing with me? Let's do it again. And this time, let's clap our hands while we sing. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Make up your own rhyme. Now it's your turn to be creative. Can you make up your own rhyme? For example, I can say, the sun is fun. What can you come up with? Let's hear your rhymes. Don't be shy. I want to hear all your wonderful ideas. Rhyme activity. Let's do a fun activity. I have some pictures here. When I show you a picture, shout out a word that rhymes with it. Ready? Here's the first picture. What rhymes with cat? That's right. Hat. You're so clever. You all did such a great job today. Rhymes are so much fun to say and sing. Remember, you can find rhymes everywhere, in stories, songs, and even when you play. Keep playing with words every day. Thank you for joining me in Rhyme Time. Bye for now, little stars.